In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a rear sway bar link on your Toyota Camry. Let's get started. Using a 21mm socket, remove the 5 lug nuts. Remove the wheel. Using a pair of locking pliers on the back of the sway bar link stud, we're going to use a 14mm socket to remove the nut. You may be able to use a 6mm hex head inside of the stud and a wrench to take off the nut. However, we will not be able to do that. Do the same thing on the bottom. And remove the sway bar link. Install the sway bar link. And get the nuts started. Do the same thing on the top. Using a 14mm socket to hold the sway bar link stud, we're going to use a 15mm socket to tighten down the nut. Do the same thing on the bottom. Torque the sway bar link nut to 29 foot-pounds. Make sure that the stud is not spinning as you torque these. Do the same thing on the bottom. Install the wheel. Get the lug nuts started. Snug them down. Torque the wheels in a star pattern to 76 foot-pounds. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.